Neatboard 50 is one of Neat's all-in-one digital whiteboard devices that includes your camera for high-quality video conferencing, the microphones for the audio portion of those conferences, and then a 50-inch digital touch-enabled display which allows you to do whiteboarding, allows you to do digital signage, a lot of different applications. But the great thing about the device like this is that it's all-in-one. Basically, all you have to do is take it out of the box, plug it in, and you're ready to start conferencing. So let's take it out of the box right now, show you what's inside. Now, an important thing that I always like to talk about with a device like this is the aspect of design. We take design extremely importantly at Neat. We take it very seriously. Not just the product itself, but from the very beginning, the actual packaging and how that's designed to make it easier on the user, but also make it easier on the environment. So sustainability is very important here. Now inside, right here on top, like some of our other devices, we've got some of the accessories that go with it. Ethernet cable, an active marker, power cable. So I'll set those aside. There's also a QR code right here on the top, so if you scan it with your phone, it'll take you to our online setup instructions. But I want to show you a little bit of how we think in terms of sustainability with our design in this packaging. First of all, we're using all recycled cardboard like we do in all of our packaging. We also have a minimum amount of plastic protective foam, as little as we can get away with. That's a lot better for the environment, a lot less plastic waste that you have to dispose of and goes into the landfill, etc. But for the user, the thing I really like about this packaging is basically this flip top configuration. And what this does is it allows me as a single user to be able to lift this device out without any help. So all I have to do is flip this down, put my foot on the box just like this, grab it, and lift it out just like so. Now let's set it up. So I want to call your attention to some things here again regarding the packaging and our eye towards design and sustainability. So these two legs here make up our table stand mounting option, right? And this comes standard with the device. And the way these are packed, secured and flat against the Neatboard 50 itself, actually allows us to reduce the volume of each individual box that these are shipped in. We can ship 37% more devices per pallet when we are shipping these freight. So whether we're shipping via airplane, whether we're shipping via ship, we can save fuel by getting more devices with the same fuel expenditure. So again, thinking about the user and making this easy to set up, but also thinking about the environment as well. So now I'm going to take the legs off, show you how easy those come off, and then get it set up. So first, I'm going to release these plastic clips right here. Just remove the rest of this packaging material. And now all I have to do is slide the legs right onto the built-in mounting hooks right here. Now just pick it up and set it up. All right. And it's just that easy. Now all I have to do is plug it in, connect it to the network, and you're ready to start conferencing. The table stand option that comes standard with it, that's just one of the many options that we have for mounting this device. We also have our adaptive stand option, which is a mobile cart that allows you to move it around your space and also move the device up and down vertically to put it at the height where you want it. There's an adaptive wall mount option, which allows you that same vertical motion, but fixed to a wall, and a standard stationary wall mount as well. And now that we're set up and out of the box, let's go get it working.